So this is the test 13B. If you can see the screen, and it says study the relationship between the numbers in the following. Okay, the numbers in the following, and in following example, and answer question 5 to 8. Now look at the sample design, the sample of the question. You can see, if you look at it, you will see that these numbers are 2, 6, 5, 10, 8. The next number is 6, 8, 2, 12, and 8. Then the next number is half. That's 1 over 2, 3, 1 over 4, 3, then 1 over 8. How did they arrive at these answers? Let's quickly look at them. The relationship between these numbers is multiplication and division. Okay, now let's look at this. 2 times 6 times 5 will give us 60. By the time you divide it by 10, you're going to have 6. Okay, you're going to have 6. Okay, by the time you look at the next one, is 6 times 8 times 2. So 6 times 8 will give us 48, times 2 will give us 96. By the time you divide 96 by 12, you're going to have 96 divided by 12, you're going to have 8. So that is the 8 that is there. Now look at the next one. 1 over 2 times 3 times 1 over 4 divided by 3. So in 1 over 2 times 3 times 1 over 4 divided by 3, 3 cancels 3. So you're going to have 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, which is going to give us 1 over 8. I hope this is clear. So having seen that, you will realize that these same questions will follow the same pattern. Now you see this 2 over 3. So let's quickly look at that. 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Let's work on this. 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3. Sorry, 2 over 3 times 4 times 1 over 4 divided by 4. Automatically 4 divided by 4 will cancel out, so you now have 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. 2 over 3 times 1 over 4 is going to give us 2 over 3 times 1 over 4 will give us 2 over 12, which is 1 over 6. So the answer here is 1 over 6. Okay, so the same apply for the others as well. So let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next question. Here is you have 4, 5, question mark, then 40, then the next one, unfortunately, is not clear. This is interesting, but notwithstanding, let's leave that. Use the same process. Let's go to that one. Look at this. We have 4 times 2 times 6 divided by unknown will give us 6. So let's multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. On the other hand, you can just go the other way and say 6 times 4, which is 24, times 2, 48. So what can you divide by 48 and get 6? So if you look at what is it that we can divide by 48 to get 6. Okay, so let's divide 48 by 6 and see. So how many 6 can we get in 48? In 36 we have 6. By the time you add 6 to 36, you have 42. That's 7, 8. That's 8 times. So by the time you divide 48 divided by 8 is going to give us 6. So the answer to this number 6 is what? 6. Oh, you can see there, is it there? 48 divided by 8, I mean to say, will give us So the answer is 8 here, whereas we've done this first one and the answer is also there. Okay, 1/6 here for this is 1/6. I hope this is clear enough for us to understand. Thank you for listening.